Change management. Change is the addition, modification, or removal of anything that could have a direct or indirect effect on services. Change management is the formal business process that ensures all change must be controlled. Identify and characterize the need for the change. Make a formal request for change by submitting a ticket for the change request. Assess the change request. Approve the changes and associated development activities. Implement the change request in a repeated routine of code changes and testing until the change requirements are sufficiently completed. QA tests and verifies that the change is sufficient. Promote the code to the next deployment stage, which could be production. Report changes to management for their review. The person or group who authorizes a change is known as a change authority. 3 types change are standard, normal and emergency. Standard changes are pre-authorized and implement without additional authorization. For example, OS upgrade, deploying patch, setting up an user account. Normal changes are authorization-based and low risk. Emergency changes are changes that must be implemented as soon as possible, for example, to resolve an incident or implement a security patch.